Hello, hello, hello. This is Laurie, and I am back. I have been busy since you guys left. As I was waiting for this other part one to download, I made some ephemera, so I'm going to go through that, show you quickly how I decorate these. Say we're going to go into a different color. I found some color box. Let's see. I zoomed in a little more, see if that could work. Color box cranberry. And we're just gonna do a little Christmassy one. And then I'll show you all the ephemera I made, and then I will show you how you can make probably at least 4 pieces of tags or something out of one little postcard. Okay, and I'll just dot it. It is so still, well, it's still cold here from the last video. And I have some, what did I want to put on that? Just something little. One of Jennifer's Dreams, etc. Little, we'll just put Merry and Bright. Am I just dyeing or just inking it the same color? It just brings everything together. This one we will put in. This is from, this and this is from Dreams, etc. This is almost gone. I'm sorry, a Tattered Dream. Got my dreams mixed up. And we're going to use a little Denise's Gold. And a little piece of cheesecloth. Hope I stay in frame. Oop. Stick that there. Stick that under there. And that's it. I can make that as a tuck spot. I could put that, say this is a page on a corner, and then you can just tuck things in there, and you have the little music paper. Those are really, really easy, so I hope you guys give that a try. So, let me go over some ephemera that I made. I actually made a lot. I made, this is a paper clip, and this is all the Christmas remnants of Dreams, etc. And then some is, oh God, Tsunami Rose. I just made, these are all little tuck spots. And that's another little, the envelopes, the 3 envelopes. These, I will have the links to where these are because I can't remember. I'm going to stand up, make sure you guys can see these. These are bags, and these are the silver and the gold from a Tattered Dream. And these are, I have like 4 books that I need. And these are micro bags from Denise's shop. I just coffee dyed them. Oh, here's another one. And I just put some lace, and I made them really foo-foo here for the holidays. And that was just, this is, I think this is Dreams, etc. Or a Tsunami Rose. And just a little piece of computer paper because it matched. Little piece of book. This is one of Denise's Tattered Dream envelopes, coin envelopes. And there's just a Tsunami Rose piece of ephemera in there. And then just a little piece of writing paper looked like a envelope. And this was another one of Tattered Dream library cards. And I just turned it into a tuck spot. Just by layering it. And there's her silver and white. And this is one of her bigger bags, a craft size bag. And this is some material. This is what I got from a Tattered Dream a while ago, and I just couldn't cut it up. Look how pretty this is. So I decided today it's not doing me any good just sitting there. It's just so beautiful. So I carefully placed it on all the items you're going to see. And again, you got to go visit. She has new things. So this is, and there's a little piece of that. And it's a bag. And this is like a triple bag with the flowers and the gold behind it and a little of the trim. And this is just a tag. Actually, it's the library card that I put some pink roses on. And then I did another coin envelope, or the money envelope. And just to tuck it in the bag. So that'll go into one of the journals. And another library card tuck. Oh, this way. I love the creamy yellows and the pinks. Just absolutely love them. And then this is one of the envelopes that I showed you in the first film. And I had made some of these seals ahead of time and I just glue them on. It's safer. Right, Gail? And that's another piece of the material. And another little bag that I pieced together, dreams, etc. stuff. And then pictures. And then this is dreams. Tattered Dream. Oh my goodness. And this is my favorite. It's one of Denise's layaway cards. And I put the big piece. There's a little, well, or this is from one of the pieces. And then I put a big piece of flip up. And then there's a little booklet. But this is so pretty. I love the pink. So that'll go in one of the books. And then the last one is one of Denise's envelopes. And it's again all with the material that I got at her shop. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So that's what I've been doing. Oh, here's one more. Another little one of her bags that I did not coffee dye. So that's what I've been doing. So now I took one of these postcards. I want to say, maybe these are already made. One of these postcards. And I'm going to show you, I made three things out of it. I took the flower out of one. It was a different one in the edges. And this is one of Denise's Tattered Dream little merchandise tags. Then I took the stamp off of one and put it on one of the envelopes. And then I took the rest of the writing and pieced it on a library card with some other ephemera. So we're going to see how many things we can make out of one item. We're going to get a bag. This is from a Tattered Dream. That is the midget, 2 3/4 and 4 1/4. And then another 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And then we'll get a library card. So I'll start with the first we'll ink it. Let's go with distressed ink. Because I know I hear, I don't have a lot of ephemera. Well, if you have a couple pieces, you don't need to use it whole. You can make it as a grouping. So we are going to, let's take that off. And we're just going to put it here. Oh, this glue. Look at all that waste. Of course, I know I should put the top on, but I don't have time. I'm going to put that there. And then we can always put a piece of the doily. I usually cut them, put them on the corner, and then you can trim them. This is just easy ephemera. And then for this one, let's see. I think I'm going to take this flower off carefully. I'm going to cut it a little. get some, we'll put, since that fell first, we'll put a little thing there. Make this a little rounder. Ink it up. And just kind of put it in there. I'll just put the paper on the end. Then actually I'm going to take this and just put it here. And then I'm going to take my paper that I had. We're going to make a quick little stuffy envelope. And so this is just like a little writing paper. Make it a little even. And it'll be a little, oh, got ink up. So challenge yourself. Take one piece of ephemera that you have and see how many things you can make out of it. And there's one. Now we got 2 bags. All right, we're gonna, this is a big bag. We're just gonna ink this. Ink that. That there. And put this under here. Bluey. Then got a piece of scrap. Put this over here. Oh, let me check my time. Getting down there. I'm gonna stay there. And I like my little, I love bows. So we'll make a little bow. And we're gonna hang it because, like I said, I got three or four pink, very girly books. So there's that one, and then I can make another little envelope. So you got that, that, and that. And here, let's see, we're gonna make a tag here. Oh, let's get some pretty pink. And let's see, I'm gonna even this out. Even this out. That will go up here. And I might have to stop this and restart it. I have 3 parts here. Yep, I'm going to stop it and I'll be back.